Hey everyone, this is Mike Dudley with the Dudley Elite team, and today I want to bring you a Realtor 101 Sellers Open House training video. So today what I want to do, whether you're an agent or you're an actual home seller yourself, or you're selling for sale by owner, then this video is for you guys. So what I want to talk to you today is how we as a company hold and run a professional open house like an expert. We get the most results, we get the most people through the door, and obviously in some cases we can even get the property sold. So open houses aren't as effective as they used to be, but by following these steps, you will maximize the amount of people coming through your front door. So first and foremost, obviously what you're gonna need, whether you're an agent or a seller, and believe it or not, as simple as this may be, a lot of people don't do it. So your first thing you're gonna need is, you need a sign. Sell sign. So again, if you're a sale by owner, stick it in your front door, not your front door, your front garden. If you're an agent, of course, you're going to put your sign out. Obviously, this is very, very key, especially for drive-bys. Now, the day before, what do I normally do? I print out a map of the area. If you know your own area, great, but you're still going to need a map because you can use that to pinpoint all the different places around your subject property, your home, and guide people in. Second of all, you print flyers, invite your neighbors, people you may know, stick it through, just to go door knocking, simple, just get the word out there. And then also you want to do a huge pre-market on Facebook, social media, whether you have a website, whatever it may be, get the word of mouth out there as much as you possibly can. Now that's the day before. On the day of, the first thing you want to do, if you're hosting the open house, you want to pick up some snacks, some drinks, whether it's bottles of water, whatever you want to do, as fancy as you want to make it, depends on the price point, depends on lots of different factors, but definitely get some beverages and food in there. It always helps. And again, another really, really key thing, get the balloons out there. So every sign that you put out there the day before, go back around, check the signs are still there first and foremost, tie balloons onto them. Ongoing traffic is going to see the balloons, it's going to draw attention to the signs, and then that attention is going to be a perfect reflection onto your property. Now, as I previously discussed, make sure those signs are in key locations. So main roads coming into the subdivision, also very, very key. Now, again, another thing, people, you would think this is really basic information, but some houses aren't clean and tidy. Now, you want to make sure if you've got people come through your house, you're trying to sell it, keep it clean and tidy all the time. Turn on all the lights, another really basic one. Light some candles, get some smells in there to get the people, all the senses working. Really good idea. And some light music, nothing crazy, no top 40, something nice and relaxing. And then lay out a registration sheet because you're going to want to follow up with all these people. In the layout sheet, you can do it. Create something simple on Word, just with name, email address, phone number. If they have an agent, simple. And then you can reach back out to their agent or them personally and directly. Also, put those balloons in the front yard as well. Basically, create as much attention as you can in that window that you're doing. Just absolutely overload with signage, balloons, whatever it may take. And that is pretty much it. On the day of, now fingers crossed that all goes to plan. Make sure you obviously tidy everything up, turn the lights off, reset everything when you leave. Now, the day after, you're going to want to obviously lock up the property if it's not yours, if you're an agent. Pick up all the signs, the balloons, everything, and then most importantly, follow up with all your guests. Now, I can't stress how important this is. Follow up with them once a week. If they've shown interest, keep on. Don't let them go, because there is a chance they could be the buyer that saw your home. They might come back around, even if it's a month later, and purchase that property. So that's how we host an open house. Obviously, you've got to drive as much attention to that as possible. We feel that the most effective way to do that is, of course, social media marketing. You can now host open houses on Facebook and events. So definitely do that, drive it, send it to all the local groups. And then once you have that, you should have a pretty good amount of people who come through your front door. So agents, for sale by owners, whoever you are, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a couple of inside tips. You can also visit our website at dudleyeliterealty.com/how to open house. So hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Have a great day, stay safe, and thank you very much for watching this video.